of a feedback. Your art, my feedback, your art. Let's go. Leave a like and subscribe for more. Here we have an amazing lion, an amazing, beautiful lion, great lion. What Simba would do in this? Do you know what Simba would do? Simba would start by liquefying everything. Do you see? Yeah, filter, and then you click on liquefy. Heck yeah. And you're gonna have this crazy screen, and now you start making the face more lionish. What is lionish face, Gab? Huge chin. Huge. He's a shad.
Every screen, I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the
Here, chin, squarish. Chin is going to be squarish. You don't think too much.
Stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic. You can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast.
Now we make this fur. Do you see those lines here? They are too perfect. They are too perfect. I like how they look, but I don't like how they are coming all the way from here to here. Like, there's no breaking points. There is those small ones, but like, not like, oh no, you just become huge out of nowhere and small. No, oh no. Oh no. Wow. Yeah, that's the thing. Here, except changes that we did. These are already huge changes. You can see what we did. Should this be going this way? Like following this way? I believe you can just go forward. Like I believe in you. I believe in your power. You can. You can. I believe in you. Okay, now let's get into the face. Lion face, you look amazing. Your eyes are improving a lot. Hey, Fuge, I like these eyes. The eyes in this one. I have seen improvement. Huge improvement. Lion's got a really huge nostril. The nostrils in a lion, oh my, they are gigantic, just like in tigers. Tigers and lions got huge nostrils. They got that because they need to breathe while they are suffocating. Their prey, they're like, no! And like all this meat here just blocks the way of the air. You know, they cannot breathe. So that's when... So that's when they gotta have huge nostrils to be able to breathe.
Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things.
Here, if you're this dark here, why you would not be this dark here? Okay, I gotcha. Here, a little bit more darkness for you.
Myself down. I don't wanna let myself down.
You did write the line here. I believe the fur is just too long. Lions have really short fur in the face, like extra short.
Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them.
I believe this mane is going backwards. What is happening in this mane? I don't know. Oh, okay, I know. So here, following the movement, following the movement, following the movement. Everything that I got. here, huge, here, also huge. Okay, what I'm noticing here, pretty much what we are changing the most is showing, hey, this side here is going to receive light. Hey, this side here is not going to receive light. Hey, this area here, maybe more fur happening. Hey, this area here, more diversity. Hey, this area here in the eyes, maybe some more details, because the eyes is a really important place.
Every day till your dreams fade away, like a card never change, play the game that we say.
Normally we tend to think, hey, this area here is brighter. It's the frontal area. We're gonna make it brighter, but sometimes you're going to make the frontal area darker. And it's going to look amazing, it's going to look cool. And that's exactly what we are doing here. Let me show you. Haha, darker. And it's look what? Amazing! Hey, let's go with smudge too. 9, 9, 5, close, 9, 7. Yes. Let's go with 9, 7.
Like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want.
Some places in the middle of your fur is going to have even darker shadows. Why? Light just cannot touch there. We can make more details in this white fur. We can, yes we can. Which brush to use? I'm gonna, for the 50th time, reply calmly. Standard brush. It's going to be darker. If light's coming from upwards, you are darker. Where is the other ear? Hello, ear. Now you are here. Haha. Now you are here.
From the people who deceive me, muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train.
Yeah, the other ear. Don't forget the other ear, James. Sometimes I forget things too, it's completely fine. That's why we're gonna be sure that we get that on the sketch face. No, seriously, I forget so many parts of the body.
I leave an impression and take a redemption, just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon, 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheme. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I want to be first. Work till it hurts.
Gabs, how you did this beautiful fur here? Following the movement, respecting dark places. Do you see this? I respected that dark place. You gotta respect the dark parts. You gotta respect the shadows, not overtake them. And pretty much start doing the light, and you start doing the light by doing the locks, the small locks of fur. But the main thing that I would recommend you to improve is muzzle. Face format. I believe you got also the wolf way. to do muzzles. This one reminds me a lot of a wolf. Lions have a thick, square one. Lions are like thick one. Fur here inside. There's adding a little bit more of shadows in the back. Even careful that this sparkle here is bigger than this one.
Right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind.
Did you enjoy this feedback? Did you not enjoy this feedback? Did you think this feedback was cray-cray? Comment down below what kind of thing you want to see here. And if you want a feedback, why not appear on our streams? You can receive an amazing feedback. And why not leave a like and subscribe in the video? What are you waiting for? Just do it! And of course, try out our Patreon and Gameroad. If you're looking for more cray-cray content, go for it. And I'll be seeing you next one. Bye bye!